Hi, my name is Pararat and this is the task number 3, Pedagogical Experience 1. This worksheet is highly motivating for all skills that involve 4th grade students in real-life situations and languages. It is created and designed to meet the needs of students with an English level A2, with categorical reinforcement for a level B1. It is created and designed to strengthen things in simple past and progressive past. These resources focus on language development, fully integrate listening activity, cultural relevant reading that includes cross-cutting and cultural themes. Also, an structured theme-related writing exercise and free contract speech that includes real-life expression. To develop this worksheet, it is recommended to do in pairs or in small work groups, so it will be beneficial for everyone because they can listen and read the material aloud, understanding the question and answering them according to the shared conversation. In addition, to discuss everyday issues. But above all, it encourages learning by fostering personal relationships between students. First of all, let's make it clear that there are students with learning difficulties. Faced with this, as a teacher, we have to implement any type of strategy that achieves the objective of communication better with the students and getting them to develop their skills so their learning process is facilitated. Well, this is my layout for the worksheet. It consists of 2 sheets where 4 steps must be developed reinforcement skill for students. This is my objectives for the worksheet. Understanding the essential information of structured conversation but technical meanings of transmitted by live voice. Identify different opinions of one or several speakers on everyday matters. Generate ideas and or critical and argumentative opinions about situations described. In the first step of my worksheet, the students are invited to read the conversation in pairs, although the teacher can connect their speaker with an internet team to listen the video carefully called A Friend I Need. Reference from the British Council website. This is a conversation between 2 friends will be presented. We talk about a bad experience that has caused embarrassment. In this case, if the speakers cannot be used, well, as a teacher, we can use a game as a role play, and it's performing to do the reading. The reading is stipulated to be done in 10 minutes, but it is recommended to repeat the reading for a greater understanding. This way, the ability to read and listen is developed. For step 2, as understood from the previous reading, there are 5 sentences with activities carried out and there are 5 spaces to write the name of the person who corresponds. So the student must write the names with respect to reading, maybe Gemma, Makaila, Justin, or Gemma's mother. This activity reinforces the reading comprehension, and in 5 minutes this step it will be solved. For the third step, a short story is presented, but the students must fill in the blanks using simple past or past continuous. Inside the sheet, it is indicated that there are 10 verbs in past simple and 5 verbs in past continuous. Also, as you can see, is a review point, and it is shared in the worksheet where the students is reminded while solving the activity. The use of simple past for short action and the continuous past for long actions. This activity reinforces the writing and reading skills, and this step lasts 15 minutes. for its development. For the fourth and last point or step, it was devised to reinforcement the communication skill such as speaking and listening, where the following question asked by the teacher to the students will be discussed, and the students is invited to ask the question and their classmate. Like the following: remember something that made you feel ashamed but made everyone laugh? What was it? Describe it. What things can be fun but embarrassing? On occasion like this, did you take photos of sharing a social network? Would you share if it is a friend of yours or a family? What would you do if you found a video of you going through an embarrassment? Upon arriving of this activity, the students is prepared and motivated to argue opinions about the situation described in the reading. So the students will create a little advice for the main character Gemma. It will write in the post of the same worksheet. Or even better, if the teacher gives each student a sticker so they can write their advice and stick on the classroom mural or a wall. As an act of solidarity, so that we are attentive that take care of the behavior of our students, so they may cause us an embarrassment. Likewise, for this step, the reading skills is being working on this activity. This activity, it will be done in 10 minutes. Well, that's all. Thank you so much. That was my worksheet. I hope you like it. Bye bye.